Welcome students, welcome in our e-learning classes of Barton Model School. Students of class 6, today I will discuss the chapter integer, that is the chapter number 6, and also I will try to solve the first exercise, one or two questions. Okay, first of all students, integer we have already the concept of whole number. What is whole number? That's starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and continuing. What is natural number? What is natural number? The natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4 and continuing. Next, what is integer? Integer means, first of all, negative number, 0 and positive number. It means from minus infinity to dot dot dot, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, 0 to positive infinity, plus infinity, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. If I draw a number line, that's from the negative number, negative integer means not fraction, not decimal. And always remember, not fraction, not decimal. Okay, not fraction, not decimal. So all the numbers which are not fraction and not decimal, from the left hand side of 0, and all the numbers which are not fraction or up to positive, up to plus infinity, all the numbers are called integer. So integer means negative, not fraction, not decimal number, positive, not fraction, not decimal number, and 0. These are the sets of integer. Okay, so now students, later I will discuss the number line. Okay, number line means, so okay, I am discussing this. Number line is straight line that moves up to infinity to negative, that is negative infinity, and plus infinity. In the middle it has 0. Okay, all the numbers to the right hand side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in the negative, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is the real number. By using that line, we can add the number integers, subtract the integers. Next students, addition of integers. Okay, addition of integers. First of one things, addition of integer. First we will consider the addition of two integers, subtraction of two integers. That is, if two integers are plus sign, in plus sign, so we will take the operation will be plus. If one of them, that is plus and minus, operation will be minus. That is minus and plus, operation will be minus. And both are minus, that will be plus. Okay, just I am explaining by taking some examples. 2 plus 3, 2, any sign is not there, it means it is positive. So operation will be add, that is add. Okay, better it is write add, subtract and add. Okay, so both are the same sign, so it will be add. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay, next 2 minus 3. Now 1 is positive, 2 is plus sign, and 3 is negative. So plus and minus, so operation will be negative, operation will be subtraction. So and concentrate in that place that 3 and 2, what is the difference? 3 and 2, that is 1. Now what will be the sign of 1, plus or minus? Between 2 and 3, which is greater? 3. Sign of 3, minus, so that is minus 1. Okay, next example, minus 2 plus 3. 2 and 3, sign of 3 plus sign of 2 minus. So these are the opposite sign. So opposite sign means subtraction. So what is the difference between 3 and 2? If you subtract 3 from 2, that is 1. Now what will be the sign of 1? Plus or minus? 2 and 3, which one is greater? That is 3. 3 sign of 3, that is plus, so it will be plus. 1. Okay, something is not there in plus. Okay, plus 1. And next, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 3. Both the sign are same sign, that is negative. Negative means add. 2 and 3. If you add 2 and 3, it is 5. And what will be the sign? What is the sign is given there? That is minus. So it will be minus. Okay. Taking another example, that is 5 plus 7. Sign of 5 plus. Both are the plus sign. So both are the plus means add. So 5 plus 7, 12. Okay. Next, 5 minus 7. Something is not there. It means it is 4. So plus and minus subtraction. If you subtract, which is greater 7. 7 and 5. Difference 7 minus 5, that is 2. What will be the sign? Which one is greater, plus or 7? 7 is greater. What is the sign of 7? Minus. It will be minus. Next, minus 5 plus 7. Minus 5 plus 7. Both are the opposite sign. Opposite sign means subtraction. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. 2. What will be the sign? Which one is greater? 5 and 7. 7 is greater. Sign of 7 plus. So that is plus 2. Next, minus 5 minus 7. Same sign means addition. 5 and 7. By adding 5 and 7 we get 12. Okay, what will be the sign? What sign is given there? Minus. So it will minus. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. And another thing, students, just keep it in your mind that if it is given in that form, 2 plus or minus 3. 2 plus or minus 3, what will be the? The bracket means multiplication. Now plus minus, minus. Okay. So plus into minus, that will be minus. Plus into plus, that will be plus. Plus minus into plus, that will be minus. Minus into minus, that will be plus. Okay. Remember these 4 things. So I am taking some example, that is 2 of plus or minus 3. 2 of plus or minus 3. So 2 plus into minus, that rule. Plus into minus, answer is minus. So minus 3. Now plus and minus, opposite sign, plus and minus. Plus and minus means the subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1. What will be the sign? Which one is greater, 2 or 3? That is 3 is greater. Sign of 3, minus. So here it will be minus. Okay. Next, 5 minus or minus 7. 5 minus or minus 7. 5 minus into minus, answer is 4. So minus into minus, plus 7. To remove that bracket, you will be right here 5. Now 5 plus 7, both are the plus sign. Plus plus add. So 12. Okay. Next, minus 2 plus of 7. If you have given that type, so minus 2 plus 7, opposite sign subtraction. 2 and 5, difference 2 and 5, that is 5. Which one is greater, 2 or 7? 7 is greater. Sign of 7 plus, so that will be plus sign. Here plus sign can be written as plus 5. Okay, that. So I have discussed the addition and subtraction, of the fraction. Now how we will add or subtract? By using number line. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay. Now this is extend up to infinity. Minus 2 plus 4. Or write in this way. Okay. One thing, keep it in your mind that plus means you have to move to the right hand side. and negative means, minus means, negative means you have to move left hand side. Now here minus 2 is given here, so minus 2 that point. Okay, now plus 4, plus add plus 4 means adding 4, so you have to move to the right hand side. How many? That is 4. 1 2 3 4, that point is 2, so answer will be 2. Okay, next example minus 5 minus 1 or minus 4 minus 1. Okay, from 0 1 2 3 4, that is the minus 4, minus 4 to then sign minus means you have to move to the left hand side 1 minus, that is 1, that place is minus 5, so minus 5. Okay, I am writing that number line one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Next minus 5 minus or minus 4. How can you solve this? By using number line. So minus 4, first of all, minus into minus, just previous we have learned minus into minus, that is plus 4. Okay, now minus 5 plus 4, so minus 5 is here, now plus 4 means to the right hand side only 4, 1 2 3 4, so 4, that point is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 will be the answer. Next example, probably the last example, minus 2 minus of minus 2. Okay, so minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2. Okay, so move here minus 2. Okay, now plus 2 means, plus means you have to move the right hand side. How many? 2. From here 1 2, that point is 0. Okay, so 0 is the answer. By the taking of help of number line, we can add or subtract the integers. In this way we can subtract. So students, today we are not able to solve the exercise 6.1. Next day, this is the introduction part, of the chapter integer. Okay, so next day we'll start the exercise 6.1. Okay students, thank you.